The FuelBLOCK 50 is a liquid fuel processing and delivery system capable of supplying two 25 megawatt turbines or one 50 megawatt turbine. The module and all equipment are assembled at Lonsdale and fully commissioned before shipping to site. Once at site, the FuelBLOCK 50 is connected to prefabricated 85 kilolitre fuel tanks to provide a fast, complete solution for liquid fuel storage, processing and delivery. There are 12 fuel blocks currently in service in Indonesia. Vane-type positive displacement pumps are employed for all fuel block transfer operations. The pumps are direct coupled to variable speed electric motors. The centrifuges are rotating disc-type separators. They process continuously to produce clean fuel in heavy phases. Variable speed controlled motors drive the bowls via a centrifugal clutch. Bowl operations and discharges are performed using process water. The fuel feed pumps draw from the clean tanks, each pump typically servicing a dedicated turbine. Should a fuel feed pump fail during normal operation, the crossover valve will open to maintain fuel supply to the turbines. Fuel feed pump return lines are fitted with pressure control valves and flow meters to ensure constant delivery pressure and flow availability at the turbine connection. A bypass line and valve has been incorporated in the fuel block to facilitate line flushing and closed-loop fuel treatment. When the valve is open, fuel will circulate from the raw fuel tank through the centrifuges to the clean fuel tanks, to the last chance filters and back to the raw fuel tank. Pressure piping for the fuel block and all modules is fabricated from stainless materials. RJE has extensive experience with site piping and cable design and construction. Standard piping and racking packages can be supplied for 1, 2, 3 or 4 generator sites. The system is fast to install and all spools are cleaned, flushed and capped prior to dispatch. The MCC is a modular withdrawable style and has been designed to simplify fault finding and maintenance tasks. A local HMI permits manual or automatic operation and data trending. The PAC monitors and controls all instrumentation and electrical equipment. Remote access to the automation system enables RJE engineers to monitor fuel block operation and make minor software changes. An air conditioner is optionally available. Likewise, a fire detection and indication panel can be supplied to integrate into the site fire alarm system. The auxiliary and waste systems are modular in design and can be scaled to suit the specific requirements of each site. A self-contained screw-type compressor and dryer can be provided for maintenance activities. An oversized instrument air header provides additional storage capacity. Process water is used for centrifuge bowl operations and fuel washing. A 2,000 litre storage tank, pressure pump and accumulator can be provided. Centrifuge waste and fluids recovered from the last chance filters are received in the common sump of the fuel block. A sump pump can be supplied to transfer fluids from the sump. A high-level switch operates the diaphragm-style pump automatically. Waste fluids and particulate can be processed in the fuel block. The waste is pumped through a bag filter to the sludge tank, where the fluid gravity separates into water and diesel. The diesel fuel can be recovered and treated in the centrifuges. The water phase is further treated in an oil-water separator. A pre-filter module is available for initial filtration of raw fuel received from tankers or bulk supplies. The filter employs surface-style elements that automatically backflush when required. Fuel particle monitors can be supplied to provide ISO 4406 code data and long-term trending of fuel particulate levels. The fuel tanks are a self-bunded double-wall design with a safe fill capacity of 80,280 litres. All internal plates and members are 304L stainless steel. Pre-assembled modules complete with piping and actuated valves are installed in the fuel tank valve bay. Level instrumentation is fitted to the tank and easily connects to pre-wired sockets at the module terminal box. A floating suction line ensures the pump suction is suspended in the upper fuel inventory. An internal drain line is included with each tank. The drain line draws from the bottom of the tank where any water or particulate matter will settle. Fuel tanks may be configured to polish the inventory. The last chance filters are located at the turbines to provide final filtration of clean fuel. The filters are a duplex configuration with individual manual isolation valves. Upstream and downstream pressure instrumentation alerts the operators when a filter is blocked. An accumulator is fitted at the discharge to provide stored fuel for emergency disruption events. A diaphragm-type pump transfers any fuel captured back to the FuelBLOCK sump. The FuelBLOCK 50 modular fuel processing and delivery system is part of the RJE GenBLOCK range of modular power station equipment. All major components required for a fast delivery power station are covered in this range. Other packaged items include the FuelBLOCK 50, a black start generator and an auxiliary power and communications module, and the GridBLOCK 50, a grid connection transformer and switchgear module for connecting to high voltage transmission networks. The RJE GenBLOCK range of equipment delivers the fastest, most reliable and modular balance of plant solutions for all new and existing power stations.